Welcome to all. So I just wanted to upload one more video with respect to reading the input from the user using Java programs. So there are n number of objects which are available for reading the input from the user, but out of which scanner is one of the object. Okay, you just can use this object for the reading the input, but in slides I have gone for some other method also, for some other objects also. You can try out that program also, no need to worry. But this is just for an example. I'm just uploading this video. So I have gone for one online GDB. Okay, so it is an online Java compiler. This platform gives you a chance to execute this Java programs online. So you can execute it and you can see how exactly you can run the Java programs. Okay, so now whenever I say you have to use the scanner object, then you have to import the package as well. Okay, so this scanner object is available in util. There is a package called java.util.utility or util.scanner. Okay, you have to import. So you can import the package using java.util.scanner, capital SCANNER. So you should not make any mistake with respect to spellings. Don't make any mistakes. So there is a separate chapter for packages. You don't need to worry if you don't know the concept of packages. You don't need to worry much, but make sure that you uh, uh, as of now you can just give importance to the method, how exactly you can get the input from the user. Okay, now so it is just I just imported one package, then I just gone for the class called main. So inside the class I am going to write the main method itself. So the class name, so the class name is main, in the sense the file name also should be main.java. You have to remember this. You don't make any mistake, otherwise if you are manually writing any programs in your system, you may not get the output if you make any mistake with respect to file names. Okay, so it is just a video. I just made a video. Over to that video I'm going to give the voice. So let me play this video so you can see. So scanner object, I used the scanner object. So I have gone for one object variable, used scan new operator. Inside the scanner operator I'm going for system.in. So in the previous videos I have said why you are using system.in. So let me pause here. System.in. So system.in is used to get the or fetch the input from the user, isn't it? So system.in should be the method which you have to use, or the keyword which you have to use. It is obviously an object actually. So using the scanner object you are going to get the input from the keyboard, and then I'm going to print one statement called enter the value. Okay, so enter the value, it will be printed as it is on the output screen. So now then I am going to use one variable called string variable to get the or to store the input, whichever the input given by the user from the or using the keyboard. Okay, now you can concentrate here. So here see, object dot next line, I used one method called next line. So I used the object, so that is a scanner object dot operator followed by the next line method. So next line method will fetch the data and it will keep that data in user input variable. So user input variable is nothing but a string variable. So user input has got the capacity to store the entire string values given by the end user. Okay, so next line should be used to fetch the data from the user. So this is one of the methods. See, I already said, whenever you are writing programs, whenever you are learning programs, make sure that you have to understand one concept. You have to remember that concept. One program can be written in many ways. Don't you should remember this. Okay, so you have n number of packages, you will be having n number of objects, you will be having n number of methods using which you can write the program. So this is one of the way to get the input from the user or to read the input from the user. So reading the input, I have already taken a separate video and I have made some PPTs and I have explained some other objects and some other methods, some other way of reading the input. So this is one of the way. So I just wanted to show, because Java is like an ocean. So it is a very, Java is very vast. Okay, it is not very small, it is not a limited one, it is like unlimited one. You will get so many packages, so many methods, so many classes. Fine. So using which you can perform so many things. That is the meaning. Fine. So this is one of the way to read the input from the user. So next line, next instruction is, I am going to print one line called enter the value. So it is a second line, the entered value. Okay, it is just enter the value, whatever the value I entered, the same value will be printed. Okay, the value entered by the user is, now you have to go for one plus or concatenation symbol, then you have to use user input variable. So that user input variable will be holding the data whichever given by the user. So I'm going to run this. So let me start the program. Once I start, so enter the value, it will be printed. Now I am going to give some random data. So I have given Shrinidhi and the entered value by the user is Shrinidhi. I'm going to get that. Fine. So like this, you can actually work on the program. Fine. Thanks for watching.